must find some more Legos. We have to. It's our only right. We must find them. It is our only hope to find the Legos. This is what we have left. Not much, I know. But Legos are coming. There are more of us out in this galaxy. So, hopefully they aren't all destroyed by the Knex. A new emperor shall arise. We shall finally destroy the Legos after what they've done to us. This is my revenge. Warning, warning, warning! Knex is here! Knex is here! Knex has arrived! Oh no! No, no, no! There it is. It's dealing significant damage to our engines. Oh no! Engines disabled! Ship going down! Ship going down! First we need to turn the ship. Fire the main cannon! Again. No! Destroyed. And then it goes down. Oh no! Ship tackle going down. Ah! No! Guys, we must escape. We must escape. There is no chance of the Knex finding us. They've already found us. They've already found us. We need to go somewhere else. Everyone leave! Everyone leave! We need to escape. They found us. We found a new home. We found a new home. Pause. Unpause. Unpause. Who are you?
I am the new leader of the rebellion.
Who
Who are you?
Are you a secret Knex robot?
How would I be a robot? I hate Knex.
Well, you've came to the right place. Follow me.
I don't have any army to Knex destroy me.
Well, we were hidden. I was the old Knex boss many battles ago.
You mean Lego boss?
Yes, I was the Lego boss. But now I'm the Lego boss of this planet. Follow me.
Okay, you control both of them now.
Dun, 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 dun,
You
dun.
control both of them now.
Okay, so we have the fleet of the army. We
Where?
are going to destroy them. I know we don't have much. Our plan